right? So then the stock went down for a while. I'm not exactly sure why it was doing that. Probably they weren't selling enough watches because their watches were getting a little bit old, right? Because here's what happens. Companies, they sell all these Fitbits, right? But then for a couple of years, like people buy a whole bunch right in the beginning. And the stock goes up because it's like, oh, everything's going good. But then they don't come out with new ones for a couple of years, and then people stop buying them because you're not going to go buy the same watch, right? You're going to wait for number 2 to come out, right?
Yeah. I want number 2.
And so it goes down, slowly. And people are starting to get disappointed in the stock and thinking that the company can't make any money. It's not doing a good job. But then they go, oh, hey, everybody, we made a Fitbit number 2. It's going to be great. And then everybody goes, oh, that is going to be great.
It is going to be. It is good.
We're going to buy that one. So they buy it, and the stock starts going up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.